There are many people who come on social media saying nonsense about Nigeria, saying crazy things about Nigeria. I have an important information to those people, telling them that Nigeria is creating impact in Africa and in the world. They should know that Nigeria is creating impact in Africa and in the world. Nigeria's influence globally is very very high. They should take note. Nigeria's influence globally is very very high, very high, because I'm going to tell you why Nigeria's influence is very high. Like, Nigeria has value. Nigeria is valuable. They have value, and that is why they are being known. You get? So Nigeria is creating impact in Africa and in the world. In the world, and other African countries should follow Nigeria, because Nigeria is creating very very big impact. Do you know that Nigeria is a leading contributor to the world GDP's growth? Nigeria is a leading contributor to the world GDP growth. You need to know what Nigeria is doing. You need to know that Nigeria is the leading, Africa's leading contributor in the world GDP growth. You understand? Nigeria is growing and is contributing a lot in the world's GDP growth. Yeah, the International Monetary Fund (IMF) says that Nigeria is increasingly playing a major role in the global economy. Like, Nigeria is playing a very big role, major role in the global economy, not just in Africa, but Nigeria is among the top 10 contributors to economic growth in the world, worldwide. Nigeria is among the top 10, the only African country among the top 10 contributors, African contributors, yeah, contributors to the economic growth worldwide. Nigeria is the only African country that is among the 10 top contributors of economic growth worldwide. I'm going to list those countries to you. Yeah, among the 10, Nigeria is a seat. There are other Western, but Nigeria is the only African country. South Africa is not even among the 10, the first 10. No, go and do your research. I'm spitting facts here. Facts. Nigeria is a leading contributor. The only African country that is leading, like the leading contributor of economic growth in the world. In the world, I'm telling you. Massa, I love Nigeria because they are creating good impact. The IMF projects that Nigeria will contribute about, or Nigeria is contributing about 1.5% of global real GDP growth in 2026. 1.5% of the world's global GDP. It's not easy. It's not easy for a country to grow this big. 1.5% is not small. 1.5% is not small at all. This is very big for Nigeria. 1.5% contribution in GDP, the world GDP, is not small, which means that Nigeria is creating impact. Nigeria is like, its influence is seen and is noticed worldwide. Their economic growth, Nigeria economic growth, is seen and is increasing worldwide. They are noticing them. That is why they keep pulling investors. They keep pulling serious investors towards them. They are pulling investors towards them. Investors, they are coming to Nigeria to invest. And the more investors are coming to Nigeria to invest, that's the more the Nigerian economic growth is growing, and the more the African economic growth is growing. Nigeria is creating impact everywhere. This is placing Nigeria as, as I earlier mentioned, this Nigeria contributing 1.5% of the global economic growth in the world has put Nigeria among the first 10 contributors, the first 10 contributors of economic growth worldwide. You understand? So they are creating valuable impact. Nigeria's economic growth in 2020 is higher than several advanced economies. Nigeria economic growth is higher than several advanced economies. Such economies is, we have Germany and we have Brazil. Nigeria economic growth is higher in 2026, is higher than several advanced economy, including Germany and Brazil. So Nigeria's economic growth now, as we speak, is growing higher than that of Germany and that of Brazil. Then you need to know how important Nigerian economic growth is, or how important Nigeria is contributing to the world economic growth. how important Nigeria is seriously contributing to the world economic growth. Nigeria is not here to joke, they are here to create impact, and they are creating serious impact. Serious impact. So, in the ranking of those 10 countries, as I earlier mentioned, in the ranking of those 10 countries that are seriously or increasingly contributing to the growth of the world GDP, you understand? I'm going to list them, and Nigeria is among. The first, we have China, that has the largest. The China is the largest contributor. The first is China. The second is India. The third is United States. The fourth is Indonesia. The fifth is Turkey, and the sixth is Nigeria. South Africa doesn't come close. Ghana doesn't come close. Kenya doesn't come close. I'm just listing the six. I just want to end on six. You need to know that Nigeria is the only African country among the first 10 biggest contributors in the world GDP. They need to know how important Nigeria is. Nigeria is very, very important. They are creating impact everywhere they go to. There is no country in Africa that is compared to Nigeria, that can compare to Nigeria. Only Nigeria's population, first of all, is a very big guarantee. Only its population. Only its population. Do you know what this means for Nigeria? Do you know what this means? As Nigeria is one of the top contributors of economic growth in the world. Top contributors. You know, for a country to be contributing to the world economic growth, it's very influential. They are very influential. Nigerians are influential, and they are creating valuable impact. Valuable impact. So what does this mean for Nigeria? You understand? I'm going to explain what this means for Nigeria. This is a very good information. What does this mean for Nigeria? Nigeria strongly projects. Let me explain more better. Nigeria, as we speak, Nigeria Futures Project, is based on its large population. You understand? Based on the large population, it's very possible for the country's economic growth to increase. Why? Because in that population, there are many consumers there. There are many entrepreneurs there. You understand? And they have an expanding market. Their market is very big because of their population. The Nigerian market is very big. And as the Nigerian market is very big, they are attracting foreign investors. Foreign investors are coming into Nigeria to invest because of that particular population. You understand? And economic reforms, the way the Nigerian government has done, like they are reformed their policy totally, making the economy to be stable and attracting investors, foreign investors. Their reforms they have managed, made it such a way that they have arranged their reforms to suit investors that know when they come to their country, only their reforms, their policies are going to help them know that, no, if I invest in this country, the policy or the reform is not going to be against me, it's going to be in my favor. When they see that no policies are in their favor, and then local investors are seriously investing and benefiting still from this policy, they are seriously going to attract investors. And the more investors come into the country, that is the more the economic growth is growing. That is why Nigeria is seriously among the 10 biggest countries who are seriously contributing to the world's economic growth. GDP. Nigeria is creating impact everywhere they go. Nigerian economy is now seen as a growth engine, not just a regional player. No, growth engine. Like growth engine, growth. The rate at which the Nigerian economy is growing, I bet you no African country is coming close. Nigerians have opened the eyes of other African countries. Other African countries are seriously investing in themselves. They are seriously building factories. Burkina Faso are building factories. Senegal building factories. Many other countries are seriously creating impact, building factories for everything to be done in their country. Money is circulating in their country. So Nigeria's economy is now seen as a growth engine. So other African countries are following what Nigerians are doing. Growth engine, everybody wants to become big, and it's a good thing for Africa. Africa is becoming big, and in fact, they have some sense now. Thanks to Nigeria. Nigeria is making them look straight, become very, very big. You get? So Nigeria is leading, as we speak, leading in Africa. Nigeria is a leading country in Africa, and other countries are following. Nigeria's economy attracts a lot of investors and has a big consumer market. And economic trends beyond Africa. Beyond Africa, Nigeria is attracting a lot of investors beyond Africa. That is why they are among the 10, and that is why Nigeria is the largest contributor of global economic growth in Africa, the largest contributor of global economic growth in Africa. It's not easy for a country like Nigeria to be seen among the first 10 countries in the world who contribute to the world's gross economic growth GDP. It's not easy. Nigeria is only African country, biggest and largest contributor in Africa. So you need to understand that Nigeria is not here for joke. They are here for serious. They are here to play. They are here for Nigeria is the best country ever. I'm telling you. So Nigeria reform, as I earlier mentioned, Nigeria has did some reforms like the reform policy and other change their policy in order to suit investors, change their policy in order to suit local investors as well. So Nigeria's reform policy boasts removal removing fuel subsidies. By removing fuel subsidies, you attract foreign investors, thereby boosting the economy. Liberalizing currency market, fiscal policy improvement uh, shows improvement in economic stability and investors' confidence. When you reform, when there's a reform in policy, when policies are being changed to maintain, like change policies are changed at once to benefit both the citizens and investors, why should a country's economy not grow? The country's economy is going to grow because those policies are there to benefit both the citizens and the investors who are coming to invest in that country as well. So thanks to the Nigerian government for doing a great job. So they are really doing a great job by creating good policies, changing policies, reforming policies that are going to help both the Nigerian citizens, foreigners, investors who are coming into the country to invest. And that is why the Nigerian economy is going to keep on growing, will keep growing higher, bigger every day. You understand? Every day. This is a big deal for Africa. Very, very big deal for Africa. This is a big deal for Africa. What does this mean? Nigeria is leading in global growth. You understand? As Nigeria is leading in global growth, other African countries are watching. So this is a very, very big deal for Africa. As Nigeria is leading as Nigeria is leading in leading in global growth, it's a very big success for other African countries. It shows Africa can be a growth source, not just an emerging market. Africa has materials, minerals, raw materials that they can do things on their own, and by so doing, it's a growth source. Africa is big. Africa is big and mighty. There's a lot in Africa that people do not know. There's a lot in Africa, and that is why Nigeria is leading other African countries, telling them that you have a lot of potential that you can do all by yourself, and you will grow and meet us at the top. Let's grow together. Let's grow together. Yeah. So it shows Africa. Nigeria is helping Africans to see that. It shows Africa can be a growth source, not just an emerging market. It challenges all assumptions that only advanced nations drive global economic expansion. It breaks down, like challenges old assumptions that only advanced nations drive global economic expansion. No, Nigeria presently, I made mention that Nigeria presently in 2026 is higher in Nigeria's global growth in 2026 is higher than several advanced economies, including Germany and Brazil. So Germany and Brazil, they are still at the back when Nigeria is growing. Is higher. Their economic growth, global world economic growth, is higher than that of Brazil and Germany. So you need to understand that Nigeria is moving ahead. They are moving ahead, going higher every day. It encourages more foreign investors to invest in African markets. Nigeria is creating a path for foreign investors to come and invest in the African market. And as they are investing in the African market, they are making a lot of money as we speak. Other countries can benefit. Other countries are seriously benefiting from it. And as they are benefiting from it, that is how Nigeria and Africa as a whole are also growing, and it's a good thing. It is a good thing. So as we speak now, Nigeria is the largest contributor to global economic growth in Africa, and is among the 10 biggest contributors the 10 biggest contributors in the world in the world economic growth. Nigeria is among the 10 biggest contributors in the world economic growth. So don't play.